Okay, this is how you use your screen recorder tool. You will go into your slideshow, you'll go into full screen mode, and you'll notice that you don't have access to your taskbar anymore, so that's how most of you know how to get into a screenshot. But since you can't, you've got to use the keyboard function. The keyboard function is Control, Alt, and this little button with the rectangle and the two lines. And when you press that, you've got the screenshot options that pop up. The default is simply a picture. Then to the right of that is a video camera, so that is what you want for video. And then you're going to want full screen as opposed to the crop. And then you have to go to settings. Really important to go to settings, because you'll notice the default is no audio at all. Alright, you obviously want audio, so in this case, to record your own voice, you're going to click microphone. And then downloads is the default destination, which is really unfortunate because it's hard to work with stuff from your downloads. That is the hard drive of your machine. You want to select a folder that is somewhere in your Google Drive. This way, whatever you record is going to go directly to your drive, and not only that, exactly where you want it to end up. So I'll say I'm going to have my stuff go to advisory. Okay, I click open. So now I'm halfway there. I've got my destination set to a Google Drive folder. I have my audio set to microphone. I can click off of this. Now the only thing left to do is I click it, and then I'm going to get a 3-second countdown and it will start recording. So I click, and you see 3, 2, 1. It is now recording. It's recording what we see on the screen, then it is recording what it hears out loud through the microphone. And then you would read your script or whatever it is you might be doing as you navigate through your presentation, right? And then when you're done, you're going to press escape, which will bring you back out to where your taskbar can be visible, and you press the stop sign. When you press the stop sign, it begins to export that video to the folder that you created, and then later on you can retrieve that video and do what you want to do with it, and that is how you record your screen.